Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a little haul from Dollar General, and before I put it all away, I wanted to show you. I picked up this little set of acrylic paints for $4. There's 8 of them, and it's a good color collection, and they, of course, on the back have the basic mixing and advanced mixing ideas. So I picked that up. I'm excited to have that. And I picked up these adhesive gold letters to use in my mini journal. For the April ABC Junk Journal Challenge. This is the mini challenge in the challenge. And so I picked up those letters. I like the size. I've used them before and they've worked really well. So today is, oh, let's wait. I did also pick up this magazine, only $4.99, and How to Be Fearless, Lori's Guide to Making Your Dreams Come True. And there's deals in here, and I just wanted something to, is your idea a hero or a zero? You all recognize her from, what is she, Home Shopping Network, I think, and Shark Tank. So it's going to give me something to read. And so let's see, also these ribbons, and I actually got this for the Care Bear kits that I have coming up, and then the little carrots, I thought those were cute. Today is National Gardening Day, so I picked up this beautiful magazine. I haven't bought magazines like this in a long time because my mom always bought all the magazines and I always got them as hand-me-downs. So I picked this up. It's beautiful. I really barely even flipped through it, so I'm gonna look forward to that. It's Flea Market Outdoors. It was $9.95, and so there's that. And then at Dollar General, I picked up seeds. Oh, and I got the gold fingernail polish to try putting around these little charms that I've been making that are paper. So real quick, we can see if that's going to work before we go through the seeds. So I thought it could just go around the edge. You know me, I'm a big fan of fingernail polish because it dries fast. And I think it's going to work. Just going around the outside. This one didn't have as much space around the outside as the little chicks that I used in the live video, which, by the way, I think the live video got lost. So if you didn't get to see it live, I'm sorry. But I did already award the people that won their prizes. They've already got their invitation to their prize is in. So I'm going to do it that, and then I'll come back and do where my thumb was. So it's just Wet n Wild. I think it was $1 or $2. And I'll be able to use it around the outside. So I picked up some seeds. I got some radish seeds and some spinach and some beans and my very favorite peas. I got a couple kinds. I got Alaska and Sugar Snap and Bush Blue Lake and some Sugar Snap, and I did get some marigolds because there's certain things, if you plant marigolds with them, they get very happy. I got some pumpkin seeds. We don't need these for a little while, but I got them. I'll be ready. I got some old-fashioned flower seeds. These will probably actually go into some journals or journal kits. But they're real pretty. They do have poppies and Iceland poppies and all kinds of fun things. I might have to plant some of those in my yard. I got nasturtiums. Plant these with your squash, and they help with the squash bugs. And some lettuce. So these were the 4 for $1 seeds. I know out there seeds can be very, very expensive now. So just wanting you to know that you can go to Dollar General and pick up your seeds. And I just want to wish you a happy National Gardening Day. And I hope you get out there and get your hands in some dirt. I will be out there with my hands in the dirt today. So find something to celebrate every day. Today I'm celebrating National Gardening Day. And yeah, so have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye.